Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that the trigger on your Dyson SV14 isn't functioning, you're not alone. This issue can arise from wear and tear or internal blockages. If left unfixed, it can lead to further complications, making your vacuum nearly impossible to use. Let's get started on how to resolve this. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement trigger mechanism, and a pair of tweezers. Ensure you have a clean workspace ready to go. First, make sure your Dyson SV14 is switched off and unplugged. Begin by removing the dust container from the main unit. This will give you a clearer view of the trigger assembly. Next, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located around the handle. Keep these screws safe as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the handle casing using your flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to force it open as this could damage the casing. Now, you should be able to see the trigger mechanism. It's usually located right near the top of the handle. Check for any visible damage or blockages that could be causing the issue. If you spot the faulty trigger, carefully detach it by pulling it away from its housing. If it's stuck, using your tweezers can help remove it without damaging surrounding components. Once removed, take your replacement trigger and align it in the same position as the old one. Push it firmly into place until you hear it click. Now, it's time to reassemble the handle. Position the casing back over the trigger and ensure everything is aligned correctly. Replace the screws, tightening them gently but firmly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the handle, reattach the dust container and plug in your Dyson SV14 to test the trigger. It should now function smoothly, allowing you to get back to cleaning. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly inspect and clean your vacuum, ensuring there are no blockages in the trigger area. Also, avoid applying excessive force to the trigger during use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.